Computer science is the fascinating study of computers and computational systems. It covers a wide array of topics, emphasizing both theoretical and practical aspects of computing. Imagine it as the backbone of our digital world, where algorithms and data structures form the foundation upon which all computer operations rest. At its core, computer science encompasses various disciplines, each contributing uniquely to the field. Programming is among the most prominent areas, where individuals learn to write code that instructs computers on how to perform specific tasks. Picture a sculptor chiseling away at stone. Each line of code shapes the final product, be it an application, game, or website. Another vital component is the study of algorithms, a series of steps or rules that guide problem-solving processes. Consider algorithms as recipes. They detail the necessary steps to achieve a specific outcome, ensuring efficiency and accuracy. For instance, when searching for a file on your computer, an algorithm quickly determines the best method to find it among countless files, optimizing search time and resources. Data structures too play a crucial role in computer science. They are specialized formats for organizing and storing data so that it can be efficiently accessed and modified. Envision a library where books are systematically arranged. Without structure, finding the right book would be tedious. Similarly, data structures ensure that information in computing is easily retrievable and manageable. Computer science extends beyond theory into the realm of applied technology, where concepts translate into real-world applications. From artificial intelligence that mimics human cognition to cybersecurity measures that protect sensitive information, the relevance of computer science is undeniable. Each breakthrough leads to advancements that reshape our daily lives, from smart devices to automated systems. Finally, the field of computer science continually evolves, driven by rapid technological advancements and innovative research. This dynamic nature demands constant learning and adaptation, inviting both seasoned professionals and newcomers. As you delve into computer science, you not only gain technical skills, but also encourage a mindset geared toward problem solving and creativity. In conclusion, computer science serves as a gateway to understanding the digital universe around us, intertwining theory with real-world applications. Whether you're coding a simple program or developing complex algorithms, the essence of computer science lies in its ability to solve problems and innovate, fueling the future of technology.